Interrogative pronouns. In this module, you learn the usage of interrogative pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and what. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun used in order to ask a question. In modern English, there are 5 interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, and what. Who is used in a question when we want to know about the subject. For instance, who is cleaning its paws? In this question, who refers to the subject, that is the one who is cleaning its paws. Whom is used to know about the object. In the question, whom is the cat trying to catch? Whom is the object to the subject cat. Here whom refers to the bird which the cat was trying to catch. Whose is used to ask to whom something belongs. For example, whose nest is this? Here, whose is used for the owner of the nest. Which is used to ask someone to be exact about one or more people or things from a limited number. For example, which animal appeared from the bushes? Here, the name of the animal among all the other animals that appeared is asked. What is usually used to refer to inanimate objects and actions. What will the cat do? In this question, what refers to the action that the cat will take. In this module, you have learned the following. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Modern English has 5 interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, and what. Who is used to know about the subject. Whom is used to know about the object. Whose is used to ask to whom something belongs. Which is used to ask somebody to be exact about one or more people or things from a limited number. What is used to refer to inanimate objects and actions.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Learning Mavericks.